Hi guys, it's Antoni and I'm here with the kit playing Truth or Dare. Which Queer Eye Fab Five member would you kick off a deserted island first and why? The only thing that we don't get along on, the thing that will tear the Fab Five apart, is temperature. Bobby would not fare well on a deserted island. Actually, you know what? I would kick off Bobby, Tan, and Jonathan because they all freak out when it's too hot because their hair gets messed up. Sorry. I'll do another truth. I'm kind of terrified of the dare. What was the last thing you Googled? I don't know how to use my weather app, so I Googled the weather in Toronto. Let's do a dare. Eat this gourmet treat, a pickle with a side of guac. Who decided that this is a gourmet treat? Oh, and look, said pickle with guac is right here. You know what? I came here to slay, so that's what I'm here to do. The iced oat milk latte I had right before this really hits the spot. I don't have a resentment at all. Why don't we just keep on going? Wait, one more truth. What song do you sing in the shower? The National Slow Show, which is a sad choice, but it is what it is. Taylor Swift, Miss Americana and the Heartbreak Prince, or Cornelia Street, or Maggie Rogers' Light On. Pick a member of the Queer Eye Fab Five and give us your best impression. Ben, can you please hand me that bowl of lettuce? This is the content you all came for. Ben is my best friend and my agent. He appears on my Instagram account. Thank you, probably more than anybody else. So this is Antoni as Tan France eating literally anything. If I ate this whole salad, it would take 3 hours. Describe your perfect date night. I'm in Rome. No, I'm in Paris, and I go to Hotel Coast, and I order the blinis with caviar. I get the ahi tuna, and I also get the spring rolls. Then at the end of the date, I offer to pay using my Scotiabank Gold American Express card. Why? Because foreign transaction fees suck. You know what doesn't? The Scotiabank Gold American Express card, because you don't have to pay for them. Let's just do one more just for fun. Oh no, we can't, we're done. Oh, I can't read that one. Not sure what a split is. I like these pants too much, I can't do the split. Style your hair with these accessories and keep them on for the rest of the game. If you've seen Queer Eye, you know very well that I love a prop, I love a costume, I'm not afraid to put it on. So I had an alter ego when I was a little boy. Her name was Anielka, and Anielka is like a very Polish name, and my sisters used to dress me up as a girl and call me Anielka, and they used to put me in their clothes. Oh, it's a satisfying snap. I really hope you heard that. Show us your best breakdancing moves. I feel like so far Truth or Dare has been an enjoyable, hopefully slightly entertaining experience. I don't want to ruin it by showing anybody how I attempt to dance. And this is more to respect my dad, who's an excellent dancer. But here's a little thing that I've added to my bucket list. I do want to learn how to dance so that I can be better at dancing at weddings, so that I don't just sit in the corner and eat cake. Although that's really fun as well. That's all, folks. I'm Antoni / Anielka. Thanks for watching, guys.